Hey everyone, this is Eric with Auto Replay. It is Friday and still raining, a lot here in Tallahassee, Florida. So not going to be doing too much work probably the next few days on the car outside unless I just catch a break. So actually am in the garage and going to start working on the driver's seat. I have the actual wire harness that I cut out another car from Pick and Pull for the power connection for the driver's seat, and I looked up on the wire diagram. The brown is the ground and the red with a black stripe is the power wire. So I'm going to go ahead and take a 12 volt battery that I have on my daughter's ATV, well, it used to be my son's ATV, like Power Wheels car, and it should have enough juice to actually move the seat back, because right now it's in a position where it's kind of pulling on the cover for the upper portion of the seat. I'm gonna have to go back to Pick and Pull, get a couple clips, but it won't take me that long. And so I'm going to go ahead and start working on that and cleaning all the cover of the seat, getting everything clean, ready to go so it can reassemble. So that's what I'm going to be working on, right now. And we'll just go from there. So basically I want to just show, I just got the red and black wire on the red terminal and the brown wire on the black terminal here. It was just temporary, just to get the seat, the back of the seat to move back some so I can get the seat cover back on like it needs to be. So that's what I'm working on. Alright, so I got it plugged in, and let's see if this seat goes back any. Move this camera back some so you might be able to see what's going on. Working in this garage. I ain't got no light or nothing. Let's see. Hey, look at that. So it is going back. It is working. Go ahead and kind of reposition some stuff here. And you really can't see much of it. I'm going to move this here. You can probably see a little bit more, but see, it's moving back. So we got the right wiring in a sense, and go ahead and see what I can do on this back seat cover. So I really don't have a lot of good light, but this is the portion of the seat cover here on the back that has come out of its spot here. So just loose, and that's why I wanted to loosen it up and see how I'm gonna get this to go back in its place. And there's a couple clips here, so I'm gonna look at taking these clips out. It looks like they're just sitting in here. There's one here, and you kind of see it. It's so dark in this garage, but there's one here, one there, and I'm gonna go ahead and take these out, try to put them back on this cover, and then get them to go back in place. So that's what I'm going to work on. Alright, so I was able to get the clip out. This is what it looks like here. So here's that clip, and looking at it, the inside little prongs right here, and you kind of see I got the light up in here now. That's what actually grabs this cover down in here. Then the outside prongs, so y'all can see that. The outside prongs kind of on the outside go into this plastic cover. So I'm gonna go ahead and work on bending these back out where they need to be, and I'm gonna see about getting this to roll back in its place since it's popped out, so that's what the issue is here. May see about moving this seat back some. So right now I'm just trying to work this thing back on here slowly but surely, and get it back in place. It's just taking some time. I don't know if I need to heat this thing up or what, but I'm getting it closer. But I still got to get like this little part to go in there, and this little part down here to go around this little plastic edge to kind of catch it. So we'll see. I'm going to keep working at it. Come on. This is good. The part that's gonna be the issue. All right, well, I got it on there all the way down to this point, and you know, I got this one little side right here, this little part to work on.
Daddy.
So after looking at it, I may have to see if I get a clip for this side and maybe one down in here. I don't know if it's missing that, but you can see like this is the part that's just not as smooth as this other side. So like I said, I'm gonna let it sit for a little bit, see if it'll work itself, you know, smooth with the wrinkles, and try to keep this corner in right here. That's the main thing. And if we can keep that corner in, I think it'd be all right. The rest of it, so I'm gonna let it just sit for a while. At least it's kind of going back in the same direction, and you know, go from there. All right.